are you having a drink already? I guess it's Friday, huh? Let's see how good these turned out. Boop. Here we go. Here's the first one. Freshly made snowflake. Soap snowflake. Oh my god. So tongue-tied. Criclus? We need a soap castle? Is that a thing? I don't know if that's a thing. I haven't heard of it. That sounds amazing though. Alright, I'm gonna remelt the ones that I over poured because look what happened. In the back, you can see that there's still like soap back there, and that'll show when I put it in. So those I just reject and put right back in the melting pot here. And this one is actually pretty good. Okay. This one's perfect. Oh, these are so cute. Okay. I'm so excited for this. I love making embeds. It's one of my favorite things to do. It's just so time consuming. So, look at this one. Can you see? Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see how that is. So for my winter soaps, I like to decorate with snowflakes, if you haven't noticed. That's what we're doing. And I do red ones, green ones, and then I do silver. So I try and get a good good variety going for that. Why not just redo it? There's no reason for me to not redo it if they're not perfect. Okay, so this should be done. Oh yeah. Ooh, coming out perfectly. Yeah, that's because of the rubbing alcohol. There we go. Time consumption. Yeah, the time consumption really goes up the more that you try and, like, imagine this, put effort into things, right? If you don't put time into it, it's not worth. If you wouldn't want to put time into it, it's not worth doing. So don't do it. But this, I feel like, is worth doing. Even though these are tiny decorations, I get to. I'll give you guys a glamour shot once I pull them all out, because I wanna get going, right? I already warned you guys that I had a lot of stuff to do today, and right now I am probably a little behind where I want it to be, but not bad. So. Remelt. This one's definitely remelt. Keepy. Alright. Not too bad if I say so myself. Only a few that got a little too much in the mold. Alright, so this is what we got left to remelt. It's literally like almost gone. So do you make something Criclus? I'm sorry, I don't really know how you want your name said, I'm guessing. Still lazy for good stuff. You need time. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's just spending your time wisely. Alright. I think I actually don't need any more of the big ones, so I'm going to go ahead and try and focus in on getting the small ones. Those little nubbies really kill me once they get created on my spout here, because then my soap doesn't like to trickle where I want it to. You know what? This isn't quite hot enough, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna melt it a little more. Oh, you do tables and lamps? Oh, from what? Like wood carving or metalworking or ceramic even? Ooh! Oh, it's not happy with me now. Oh, from wood. Very cool. Oh, I guess it's not ready for me to pull it out yet. It's still a hot, gooey mess. There. That should be enough to start. Let's see if I can get more of these small ones. Ooh, perfect. I love when it's so liquidy. It just goes into all the little nooks and crannies just the way I was hoping and dreaming. Alright, let's go into this mold. Ooh. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then I don't even think I'm gonna need to use these today. I just wanted to free up my my mug here so I could use it for other stuff because I didn't want to waste it. I knew I would want to use it, so I figured I would go ahead and use it up. Oh, you recycle the wood. Oh, very nice. I've heard of some people doing that. I mean, I guess I should have figured that was a thing, but I never really thought about it. Alright. So this is all I have left, but even still, I could probably get 2 or 3 snowflakes out of that, so I'm going to go ahead and try. And then we'll get to the fun stuff. I know this isn't, like, enthralling, right? Like, I'm using a microwave and I'm pouring stuff into molds that you guys can't even see. But we'll get there. The point is that I have to wait for the lye water to cool, so this is kind of a, not really time waster, but time filler, I'll say. This is an effective use of my time, just not, oh God. Oh man, that poured everywhere. Dang it. And I really like that particular snowflake too, so I definitely am going to want to redo that. I want more of that one snowflake. Let's do this one, I guess. Okay, we'll try and do this. I think this is going to be a no. Oh! Okay, that might work. That might have worked. That might be alright. Okay. Hey, Crazy Freaky, how are you? The fun stuff is when I get to actually make the soap. So we'll get there. When I get to like make my oil recipe and then we put the lye water in with it, it starts to saponify, and then I get to make and I add fragrance and colors and make it look pretty, and that's what's fun for me. I mean, I enjoy this small work here that I have to do to make my stuff look nice, but I know it's not the actual best for you guys. Because my head's down a lot, you know, this isn't too interactive right now. But we're almost done. And then I actually do need to make more of the silver ones, so we're gonna do a little more of this kind of work. I'm gonna have to wash this guy out he'll be really easy to wash out because he's freshly used soap. So I just don't have another one to use right now. So I have to make more of the silver ones because those I am using today. These red snowflakes are so cool. I love this design. I've been doing it, has it only been 1 year? I don't think I had the snowflakes for 2017. I think I did like leaves or something instead, which I still do for fall, but not for winter, because now I have the snowflakes, which are much more appropriate. Oof. And frankly, they're more fun, because for about the same amount of effort, I get cuties like this, right? Yeah. I like the small snowflakes because it makes it easier for me to like place the colors just so, right? It's a game to get the soaps to look a certain way so they'll sell over someone else. Because I know like a lot of people make soap, so it's not guaranteed that I'm... Oh, that one's actually quite bad. That one's almost no better. Oh, maybe this third one here I shouldn't have tried. It was not great. That one's okay. Then, well, all this means is that I'll get to do more of my favorite snowflakes, which is this one. I think this one's my favorite. You see? Probably not too great. I'm trying. My floodlights are really, really obnoxiously positioned for where you guys can actually sit. Alright, so I'll go ahead and melt these down one more time. And then I'll do my favorite snowflakes. And then we'll have to start the silver snowflakes. Yeah, silver snowflakes. And then, I also have to make, which I've never done before.